Hi everyone, this is a little demo to show you what I've been doing up until today or this week. I have started out making a small Java project in which I've created a simple HTTP server using Sun's HTTP server. This simple HTTP server exposes one endpoint, the status endpoint, and this endpoint will return or produce some JSON containing its status and server port, in our case 8080, when a GET request is sent to the endpoint. What I also did was add Swagger to this project so we can describe all the endpoints we add to the project. Therefore, I've added a few extra handlers and of course all the files we need to show the Swagger UI plus the specification file in which we can find the specification for the status endpoint. Another thing I did was create the provisioning and deployment script for our application so we can deploy our application into the cloud. As you can see, this script will create a documentation application droplet which is running a Debian 9. It's gonna update and upgrade the environment, install the Java Open JDK 8 that we need to run our Java or jar file with. It will clean and build our project. It will copy the jar that is created from the clean and build plus the Swagger files to this droplet, and then it will start the application. To show you this in practice, here you can see I've run the script and we have a documentation application droplet Debian 9 running on this IP address. Now if we go to the IP address and we go to status, you can see it returns some JSON containing the status and the port. If we want to see the Swagger, here we have it. So as you can see, the Swagger describes the status endpoint and we can try it out. A GET request to the status endpoint on our droplet and it returns the status and the port. The last thing I want to show you is the backlog. I've created a small backlog for the documentation application on the Microsoft Teams Planner. It's not that big right now, but the most obvious tasks are in here already, and I'm sure there will be more added in the future. That's it for this week. Thank you for watching.